Hi, Birdie.
Hi, Birdie.
Okay. There you go.
What are you doing?
This is our bird. His name is called Birdie. And he has a blue front Amazon parrot. It's about 10 to 12 years old. They can live up to about 30 years, but some have known to outlive their owner. And he can talk, whistle, and do a few things, a few tricks.
He doesn't like kids. He'll bite their fingers.
So I'm the only one that he doesn't bite out of the family.
Did you want a peanut?
Whistle, hmm?
Yes. Do you want to play, Birdie? Do you want to play? Huh? Oh, yeah. Hello. Yeah. Hello, Birdie.
There you go. There you go.
Hi. Yeah. I know. You want to play? Let's play. Birdie. Let's play, Birdie. Huh? Huh? Hi. Hi. Well, Birdie. Huh? Oh, I'm not going to do anything to you. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hi. Hi, Birdie. Yeah. This way. No? Hi, Birdie. Hi. 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 Hmm? Yeah? Mm-hmm. Oh, you like to play. What are you trying to say? Uh-huh. Hi, Birdie. Good night. Good night, Birdie. Bye. Bye, Birdie.